Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best wooden step stools that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Wildkin Kids Wooden 2-Step Stool 200 pounds. Here is a nice selection of a wooden step stool you can apply for most tasks. The stool has 2 convenient steps for getting up and down. Besides this, the stool has an ergonomic space-saver design with dimensions of 15.25 by 14.1 x 13 inches to apply in limited spaces. Moreover, it has a load capacity of 200 pounds to suit most applications. The stool is very sturdy and stable thanks to the solid wood and MDF board materials, making it a fantastic option to consider. It features a built-in carrying handle for better portability of the stool. The wider sturdy steps make it very stable, thus a pick to apply in the bathroom, kitchen, and more. Because of the ergonomic design coupled with a wider base, the stool is safe to use. Still, it comes in myriad colors to get the ideal option for your needs. At number 4. Beespaces by Battat, Kids Wooden 2-Step Stool. Step on up and show the world what you've got. Reach that top shelf where all the cookies are, or go higher and reach for the stars. This stool is a combination of sleek lines and a classic, sturdy construction. Perfection. In a gorgeous mint, the Pika Boost is sure to look good in any playroom, as well as in your trendy living room. The handle makes it easy to move from here to there. This stylish little booster helps your little one reach new heights. Sized perfectly for toddlers or kids a little older, this 2-step stool is just perfect. With wide steps on a sturdy base, you can now sneak a peek or extend your reach. This little booster also coordinates perfectly with other Beespaces dreamy furniture. At number 3. Rubbermaid P2 2-Step Molded Plastic Stool. The Rubbermaid P2 2-Step Molded Plastic Stool is a perfect tool when you need a little extra height for reaching items around the house, office or garage. With a 300-pound weight capacity, you'll feel safe and comfortable getting to those hard-to-reach places. The Rubbermaid 2-Step Molded Plastic Stool features a large standing platform and cutout handles to provide easy portability. The P2 measures 16.13 inches, L, by 18.625 inches, H, by 18.25 inches, W, with a highest standing height of 16.125 inches and weighs approximately 5.6 pounds. The Rubbermaid 2-Step Molded Plastic Stool is made with your safety in mind. Whether you use this stool for everyday household chores or for a little help getting on your horse, the non-slip grip will keep you from worrying when you are trying to reach items up high. Wobbling back and forth will not be an issue with this 2-step stool, making it perfect for children or elderly. At number 2. Wood City Toddler 2-Step Wooden Stool. For the ideal selection of a wooden step stool that will serve you accordingly, Wood City Toddler 2-Step Stool is a consideration to try out. The stool has 2 wider anti-slip steps to allow for easy simple movement. Apart from this, the stool has non-slip pads for safe up and down the stairs. To add more, the product has a large size with dimensions of 13 by 14.4 by 13.4 inches to suit your needs. Also, the step stool has a load capacity of 200 pounds, which offers proper stability for the kids. It features convenient side carrying handles for portability, hence an amazing option to get started with. Finally at number 1. Ginsey Growing Up Green Bamboo Step Stool. This is another ideal selection of a wooden step stool you will find appropriate for your needs. The stool is built from the highest quality of bamboo material to guarantee prolonged use and stability. Again, the stool has a wider anti-slip step to stand comfortably without slipping off. This product has 4 sturdy feet that keep it stable on every floor. That said, the wooden step stool has a maximum load capacity of 200 pounds, making it appropriate for both kids and adults. Also, the product has a lightweight ergonomic portable design, hence a nice option to try out. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.